Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how you can enable dark mode or night mode on your Chrome browser. Well, the very first thing that you need to do is to open your Chrome browser and type chrome colon slash slash flags in the address bar. Once you are on this page, search for dark mode and change it and enable it from now. The very next thing that you need to do is relaunch the browser. Once your browser relaunch, all your things will be in dark mode. Let's see. Now as you can see, everything is in dark mode. uh, so see, everything is now completely in dark mode. Now you can open any website, for example androidtutorial.net, and see, it's even the site is in dark mode right now. uh, See, well, that's it for today. I hope you like our first tutorial. We'll keep on adding more tutorials in the future. Also support us, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time. Thank you.